Look at the sound spelling card and say the word. Click on the big picture to hear its name.
Spoon. Good job! The sound oo is in the middle of spoon. The oo sound can be spelled U as in truth, U consonant E as in rule, EW as in chew, UE as in glue, UI as in fruit, or OU as in you.
Now, look at the two words. Click on the cards to hear the words.
Rust. Ruth, good job! Choose each word that has the oo sound, spelled O-O-U, U consonant E, E-W, U-E, U-I, or O-U. Great job!